I love the vibrant color of the sunflowers and decided to make my tablescape shine with the beauty of brown and yellow sunflowers. That is, the yellow on the outside, brown in the middle. The topic today is sunflowers. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. Enjoy the show. It is important to start out with a clean table with whatever you like to use. I use a spray, but will find something different in the future, but I used a microfiber cloth, which worked well. Now, once you're satisfied with the way it looks, you can begin decorating your table. I made some placemats from a thick brown jute rope some time ago, and I placed them on the 4 areas of the table. They are thick and substantial for your place setting. And I set an off-white scalloped edge dinner plate on top of the placemats. Clear glass wine glasses were set on top of a beaded coaster from Hobby Lobby. The eating utensils are silver with a brown wooden handle to ground the setting. The centerpiece is a grand finale. A yellow mesh from Dollar Tree was placed inside a medium-sized round glass vase. And full sunflowers were placed inside along with some green leaves. A riser that was made a couple of years ago was placed on top of a yellow handmade sunflower. As a crowning touch, a handmade sunflower napkin ring adorned a tan linen napkin. Handmade candlesticks were made for What Would You Make collaboration from wooden blocks. White candles were placed in the middle, and I think they look wonderful. A Dollar Tree salad plate with sunflowers around the rim was set on top of the off-white dinnerware, and I got them for, you're not going to believe it, $1 each because they were on sale. Tablescape Tuesday is an open collaboration showcasing beautiful and original decorated tables. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, featuring the special guest Devoted Network with Tasha. This table is bursting with color just in time for an early fall. Let me know what you think of this tablescape. Many of the items were handmade by Z9designs. That's me. Check out my channel and check out everyone's channel and subscribe, like, and comment. You will see some unique sunflower tablescapes. And make sure you use the hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 26. Thanks for watching. I appreciate and love each one of you. I hope you like what you've seen. So so please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow and subscribe to Z9Designs on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Now, July is UV, that's ultraviolet, Safety Month. It focuses on protecting your skin and eyes from harmful ultraviolet rays to prevent skin cancer and premature aging. Remember, only you can protect your health. And the quote for the day is, "Discover wisdom to center your spirit and uplift your well-being, perfect for a peaceful and healthy life." See you later. Bye-bye. Love, Cindy.